सोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 5.3 problem number 1. Let us see the question. This is the given question here. Sudhakar borrows 15,000 rupees from a bank to renovate his house. He borrows the money at 9% per annum, simple interest over 8 years. What are his monthly repayments? We have to find the how much he has to repay the bank. Okay, so rate of interest is 9%. For 8 years we have to calculate simple interest. Okay, right, let's see. So here given P is nothing but principal 15,000 and R rate of interest 9% and time 8 years. Okay, so let us calculate first interest. So given simple interest, we have simple interest formula. I is equals to PTR by 100. Okay, so let us find the interest first. P value 15,000 into T 8 into 9 by 100. Two zeros gets cancelled. So I is equals to 15 into 8 into 9 72. So 72 into 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 36 and 72 1080. So I is equals to 1080 for 8 years. Okay, is it clear? Sorry. So 150 it is. So 150 we get again one more zero here. So 10,800 is the interest amount. Okay, is it clear? 10,800 is the interest amount here. So I have done a mistake here. 150 into 72 it is. Okay, so interest we got 10,800. So what is the total amount? Total amount is equals to P plus I. So A is equals to P value rupees 15,000 plus I value 10,800. What is the total amount? Yeah, 15,000 plus 10,800 008 25. Okay, so amount is equals to 25,800 is the total amount after 8 years. So this amount he has to pay in monthly wise. So we have to calculate how much money he has to pay for monthly. So how many years? 8 years. So 8 years. So monthly repayments is equals to, so 8 years. So for each year we have 12 months. So we have to pay monthly. That is why I am converting into month wise. So in each year we have 12 months. 8 into 12. Okay, how much? Yeah, that is 1. Okay, don't simplify this. So leave it like that only. So 8 into 12. So we have to divide this by this. We get the monthly repayments here. So what is that? Monthly repayment is equals to 25,800 by 8 into 12. So 2 4s, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 9s, 2 zeros as it is, 2 2s, again 2 6, 2 4s, 2 5s, 0. That is nothing but 6450 by 2 into 12, 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 twos, 2 twos, 2 fives. Okay, 3225. So that is nothing but 3225 by 12. So we have to take the division between them. Take the division here. So 12 divided by 3225. Yeah, 12 twos are 24. 12 minus 4, 8, and take 2 here. Next 12 6 72. It is 10. Take 5 here. Yeah, 12 8s 96. So 15 minus 6, that is 9. Okay, take the point here, take 0 here. 12 7s 84. So 6 is the remainder and take the 0 here. 12 5s 60 0. So what is the monthly payment? That is 268.75. So let us write here. Therefore, the monthly repayment is equals to rupees 268.7 rupees he has to pay monthly. Okay, right. If we divide this total amount by 8 into 12, what is 8 into 12? 8 years. Okay, I am converting them into monthly wise. Okay, that is why we have to divide with 8 into 12. Okay, this is the amount he has to pay monthly. Okay, right, take the problem.